With initial startup next summer and commercial operation in 18 months, the Kemper County Energy Facility will not only deploy the latest in energy innovation, it will take one of America's most abundant resources and utilize it in one of the most environmental and economic ways for the benefit of Mississippi Power customers, Mississippians, and Americans. Welcome back on site. Constructed with 21st century coal technology, the Kemper project is more than 70% complete and being built by Mississippians for Mississippians to deliver clean, safe, reliable, and affordable energy for decades to come. Join me now to discuss several recent construction milestones. The first milestone we'll talk about is what separates this facility from traditional coal plants, and that's the installation of the gasifier. The gasifiers will stand nearly 25 stories tall upon completion and have a combined weight of 6 million pounds. That's more than 10 Statues of Liberty. It will take 18 lifts by a 600-foot crane to complete installation, with most of the difficult lifts having already been completed. Now, there's nothing new about the gasification process. The Kemper facility advances the technology to work with lignite, a type of coal which is a Mississippi natural resource located literally right underneath our feet here in Kemper County. Lignite will not be burned. It will be gasified through a process called Transport Integrated Gasification, or TRIG. After lignite is gasified, three byproducts, carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, and ammonia, will be removed from the gas stream. The project will capture at least 65% of the carbon dioxide produced, with resulting carbon emissions comparable to a similarly sized natural gas plant. Weighing 600,000 pounds each, the CO2 absorbers stand more than 200 feet tall. The gas created through the TRIG process will flow up through the absorber columns, where it will come in contact with a solvent, which dissolves the CO2. The CO2 then will be piped from the facility to Heidelberg, Mississippi, where two Mississippi companies will use it for enhanced oil recovery. It's estimated that 2 million more barrels of oil will be produced in Mississippi every year because the carbon dioxide produced here at Kemper will help those companies find oil that was previously unreachable. The next milestone we'll discuss has both an environmental and an economic impact on Mississippi communities.
100% of the water that we'll use here in the energy production process will actually come from the city of Meridian. We've entered into a long-term contract with the city to pipe their treated effluent up a 30-mile pipeline into this reservoir. That option is the best overall economic option for our customers and also provides a new revenue stream for the city. As you can see, we're not on a large body of water on a river, so that treated effluent is a good use of their commodity for us on site. But on the backside, we're a zero liquid discharge facility, which means none of the water that we use in any of the processes related to generation on the plant site will find its way into our local streams and waterways.
The final construction milestone that we'll highlight has to do with the significant work that's already been completed on new power lines and pipelines that will carry natural gas, treated effluent water, and carbon dioxide to and from the Kemper facility. In fact, generating electricity is just the first step in delivering reliable energy to our customers. From the plant site, 5 new substations and 5 new transmission lines will help carry the power generated here to our customers. These construction milestones require a tremendous workforce, and right now, more than 2,500 workers are employed at the Kemper facility, and approximately 270 Mississippi companies have provided supplies, material, and staffing to support this project. Nearly 12,000 direct and indirect jobs will be created during construction, and more than 1,000 direct and indirect permanent positions will be created once the facility opens. Over the next 8 months, construction will peak and then ramp down as we prepare for startup activities next summer. Using an abundant Mississippi natural resource, the Kemper County Energy Facility will provide stable, low-cost 21st century coal technology to Mississippi Power customers. Thanks for joining us in this edition of On Site. I'll see you soon.